Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your MG car key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit for precision. It's also a good idea to consult your MG owner's manual for any specific details about your key fob model. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam along the edge of your key fob. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a careful twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Gently press them together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Finally, test your key fob's functions with your MG vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.